Okay. Wow, nice waterfall here. Sick. What is up, everybody? This is part 2 of my ride at Cold Springs Trail in Santa Barbara, California. If you haven't seen part 1 of this trail that I rode, make sure to watch that video first before continuing with this video to show where I started from. The link to part 1 of this ride will either be in the description box or on the screen right here. And as always, enjoy the rest of the video.
So we continue on here and then we turn right to lower Cold Springs.
Lower Cold Springs?
If you turn left, it's going to go to the hot springs.
Oh, okay, we don't want to go left, right?
No, you just continue straight.
We don't want to be hot, but we still want to be cold.
Exactly.
This is no joke right here.
Which one?
All this.
Yeah. Long stretch was super chunky.
Very chunky. Damn. Just feel it in the forearms, like back and forth, back and forth.
I had a lot of stuff there where I kicked some rocks because I was just striking my pedal everywhere.
Yeah, same here. Pedal strikes everywhere. But hey, you know, it's part of the trail. Gotta do it. But I enjoyed it a lot. It's an amazing place.
It's good though. It's good.
Really good. More to come. Thank you, sir.
Of course.
Okay, almost there. This feels like some parts of the trail you feel like your tires are flat, but not really. It's just there's just so many rocks everywhere that makes it think like your tires are flat. Okay. Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, how much are you?
Pretty good. One more behind me. Okay. Okay. Really loose here. Okay. Yes. Really, really loose. Thank God for off-roading tires. That's why I have Michelin's. I mean, Maxxis are good too, but I thought I'd try Michelin's. And I enjoyed these tires. Okay. Yep, suspension's still open. It would suck to go down this with your suspension locked. You're putting so much pressure on your suspension by doing that. Not again. My bad. Yeah. Just wanted to gap that.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All the way down there.
I was trying to transition to there, but I guess it didn't work.
Yeah, because once you transition, it kind of points you to this spot right here.
Oh, I know, right?
The cliff. Make sure we're going the right spot here.
Yeah, my bad.
No, you're good, man. Oh yeah, we're close to that fort. Remember not to turn left.
Not to turn left?
Yeah. People are climbing up.
I know, right? Yes. Oh, this is the fork. The heck? You sure this is it?
I want to make sure. I don't think this is the trail.
Oh, not this one?
No, that one.
Oh, thank goodness we checked, right? I wonder why would people want to ride this up? All loose and gravel, definitely meant for downhill only. All right, let's do it. Okay. really good. Took a few tumbles earlier, but that didn't stop me. What the hell? Ah. Okay, coming down. Hi guys. Okay, lots of chunk again. I don't know if I'll gap anything here. Okay. Oh. I don't know why I keep going to one side more than another when I'm trying to gap something. Gotta be careful. The hell? What's up, guys? Oh, sap. It was that way, huh? Gotta check the maps again.
Yeah. Sorry.
No worries.
Not to get lost or anything.
Yeah, me neither.
I think lower Cold Springs is here.
Oh yeah? Okay. No,
Sorry guys.
guys, have a good one. Thanks. Still going down. Yeah. Amazing. I hope nothing gets in my eye at this point. And what's down here? Okay, now it's starting to get a little bit flowy. That's why I like to flow. Okay. But it's still chunky. There's lots of loose rocks everywhere. Okay. Amazing. Okay. A good place so far. Now it's starting to remind me of Sunset Ridge in Altadena a little bit when I see this. Okay. Oh. I think it's right here. Okay. Definitely a lot like Sunset Ridge in Altadena. Okay. Still good. Wow, so good. Really good.
That was good.
Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, berm, 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 berm. Right? Another berm. Really tight. Okay, I got it. Whoa. Sick. Yes. Amazing. Beautiful place. really loose here. I think we have to cross the river, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll cross it. I know, right? I know, right? One interesting trail. Got a little bit of the river action going.
Yeah. Have fun.
Thanks, you guys too. Dang. Let me try it off. Oh, look at this. Sick view of the waterfall. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Forget the downhill. We're doing this all day.
Yeah. Forget.
Nice. That was a good rock throwing moment there. Okay, back to the trail at hand. Okay. Ah, yeah. What a good place. I know, right? Super, super tight. I think I got it. Oh. I think right there, yeah, it's okay. Let me check it out. Is this right? Let me take a look at this waterfall for a sec.
Yeah, sure.
Wow, nice waterfall here. Sick. Yeah. Look at this. I just want to dive into it, don't you? Yeah, I'm coming here for the summertime.
You bring the bikes, I'll pull them over because there's no way you could push it up.
I can push it up.
You can?
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, I'll go first. Get your bike, I'll pull it, then get my bike.
Oh, okay. For sure. What the hell? Okay. Gonna berm here. Okay, very good. And another one. Okay. Yeah, very tight switchbacks. Wow. Oh, crazy. Very steep here. Hi there. Pretty good, you? Nice. Oh, nice little waterfall here. Bunch of streams everywhere. Okay, where do I go from here? Oh yeah, I continue this way, I think. Should be good from here. Oh, what the hell? Very narrow. Oh, yes. I know, right? That was super tight. The hell? I don't even know where I'm going anymore.
I think it's up there.
Is this it?
So we have to cross.
Oh, I think I'm just gonna walk this part.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I'm gonna dive into the water at some point. Oh shit.
Oh wow.
I know, right? What the hell is this? Yeah? Oh, there?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Damn. I went way down here. Okay, looks like I gotta climb back up. And I was just about to go across there. That's very good. What the hell is this? So yeah, this was the fence I was talking about earlier.
This was it?
Yeah, I thought it was closed entirely, but I guess the part of the side is open.
So it's here on the side?
Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Looks like I made it. Oh yeah. I guess that's today's video, so stay tuned for more. That was good. We made it in one piece.